This is Action 41 News with Chip Nightingale, bringing you all the news from Apartment 41.
Good evening and welcome to Action 41 News, your trusted source for all the news in Apartment 41. I'm Chip Nightingale with tonight's update. Our top story tonight, kitchen administrators are reporting low levels of important food supplies. Our kitchen correspondent, Bobby Sue Meadows, has more.
Here in the kitchen, the long Easter holiday weekend took its toll. Supplies have run low on important staples, such as milk, mozzarella, ham, cookies, potato chips, and of course, red wine. Chef Jed Rollins explains that relief is just around the corner.
In fact, tomorrow we're going to send a delegate over to the supermarket to pick up some fresh supplies. So, I understand we've had requests for other things like bananas and strawberries, and we try to fill every request we can. We want to keep all the diners here at Apartment 41 happy.
Chef Rollins also said that while there have been some complaints about options, the basic menu is not set to change anytime soon. Reporting from the kitchen, I'm Bobby Sue Meadows, Action 41 News.
A strike by bathroom cleaners has entered its 30th day, resulting in difficult conditions and a tense standoff. Our bathroom correspondent, Nigel Peters, reports.
The scene is striking. Mold and mildew in the bathtub, toiletries scattered about on the sink, soap residue yet to be wiped away. And the less said about the toilet or bidet, the better. It's now been a month that the washroom has gone uncleaned, and washroom superintendent Brian Bennett had this to say.
Yes, well, the situation is really getting out of control, and we just ask that the cleaners union get back to work and clean up this dump.
But according to Washroom Cleaners Local Union President Bob Price, things won't change anytime soon.
Of course, these are tough times. They're tough on everybody, but we feel we need to hold firm until our demands are met.
And what are your demands?
How about a reason? Nobody's coming over here. Who's using the bathroom? There's no reason to clean it.
Reporting from the washroom, I'm Nigel Peters, Action 41 News.
We take you now to our correspondent Giovanni Tenuta with an update on the situation in the bedroom. Thank you, Chip. I'm reporting live from the bedroom, where sources are telling me it's been very quiet. Perhaps a little too quiet. So quiet, in fact, that neighbors are beginning to wonder what. I'm sorry, we seem to have lost the feed. We'll have more on that story at 11. Living room officials have announced new streaming programming to be made available in the coming days. Our entertainment reporter, Cindy Summers, with the story.
The economy may be slowing down, but it's boom time for programmers of content streaming into the living room. With nowhere to go during the lockdown, viewers apparently can't get enough. Director of Programming Wayne Cleaver told us of some possible new entertainment coming their way.
So we're looking to get some new content in here, perhaps Tiger King, some more dramas, definitely some comedies given the circumstances. Our business, as always, is about getting asses in seats. Really just one ass in one seat.
Above all else, Cleaver simply asks that viewers be patient while he scrolls endlessly through hundreds of options to select upcoming programs. For Action 41 News, I'm entertainment reporter Cindy Summers.
We thank you for joining us tonight, and we'll see you again soon. Remember, if it's happening in Apartment 41, we're there.